Elizabeth was a young woman who had always felt confined by her life. She lived in a grand mansion with her wealthy parents, but she felt trapped by their expectations and their rigid lifestyle. She longed to break free and discover the world for herself. One day, while wandering the grounds of her family's estate, Elizabeth stumbled upon a forgotten garden. It was overgrown and wild, but she could sense that it held a special magic. She spent her days exploring the garden and soon discovered that it held many secrets. As Elizabeth delved deeper into the garden, she met a young man named William. He was a gardener who had been tasked with maintaining the garden, but had been neglecting his duties for a long time. Elizabeth and William quickly became friends, and she shared her love for the garden with him. They spent many hours together, exploring and tending to the garden. As they worked, they grew closer and closer, and soon realized that they had feelings for each other. But as their love began to blossom, Elizabeth's parents found out about her secret garden. They were furious and forbid her from seeing William. They had already chosen a wealthy and well-respected suitor for her, and they didn't approve of her relationship with a common gardener. Elizabeth was heartbroken, but she knew that she couldn't give up on the love she had found. She made a plan to run away with William, and they fled to a distant land where they could be together without fear of persecution. In the new land, they started a new life together. They built a small cottage and started a garden of their own. It was not as grand as the one they left behind, but it was full of love and passion. They were happy and content, and that was all that mattered. Years went by, and Elizabeth and William's love for each other never wavered. They had built a life together based on love and mutual respect, and it was all they had ever wanted. They knew that the secret garden where they first met was a place where their love story had begun, and it would forever hold a special place in their hearts.